ever been on Facebook and like somebody send you a like or somebody send you a comment and you look and you're like, who is this? What is that? And there's no face and there's no this and there's no that and some kind of people are running. All right, yeah. So there are lots of fake accounts on Facebook. And they're saying that they have removed 3.2 million fake accounts, and that's from April all the way down to September. Right, guys? They said nearly all of the bogus accounts were caught before they had a chance to become active users of the social network. So they're not counted in whatever ratings and figures that Facebook always reports. I don't know why people find the need to do that, but okay. The company said in a report on Wednesday that it also removed 18.5 million instances of child nudity and sexual exploitation from the main platform, same time frame, April to September, up from 13 million from the previous months. And also, it says it removed 11.4 million instances of hate speech during that same period, up from 7.5 million in the previous 6 months. Apparently, this is something that they do. They go through and they clean up every now and then. Company says it's beginning to remove hate speech proactively the way it does with extremist content, child exploitation, and other material. So, when was the last time you went on Facebook?
This morning. Okay,
I've kind of eased off of Facebook for a while now. The only way I end up with things on Facebook for me is if I like export it from Instagram or something.
You know, I use Facebook to check birthdays. That's the only thing.
Really?
Nothing else.
Wow.
Yeah, man, I'm honest with it. Just check birthdays because I can't remember everybody.
Of course not. Who's expecting you to do that?
Exactly. So I use Facebook, check birthdays.
And that's about it?
Pretty much.
So have you ever come across any instance of fake profiles?
Fake profiles? Yeah, man.
Okay,
well. So in my
story, let me get my tea.
You know the messages that you get like after a weekend show sometimes a bunch of random people.
Ooh.
Nah, them not give me the money, so it's like it's more like
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So it's a lot of fake profiles, and after they send you a message and you don't respond, then delete them profile. It's a Facebook user.
Right.
People strange, you know.
Yeah, man, very.
Internet is a scary place, yeah?
Amen, because them can hide behind anonymity. Yep.
There we go. All right. So the next story is a prank gone wrong. Dancehall star jailed in the US. So this one for me, boy, even when you're big, even when you're adult, sometimes you do things just don't make sense. Jamaican dancehall artist, dancehall entertainer Brigadier Jerry has been slapped with a battery of gun-related charges in the United States. But the incident may have been triggered by a prank gone wrong. Yep, that's what his wife said. The 62-year-old singer, whose real name is Robert Russell, has been charged with illegal discharge of a firearm, first-degree robbery, first-degree reckless endangerment, carrying a pistol without a permit, illegal transfer of a pistol, and altering a serial number on a firearm. That sounds like more than a prank. He has been held on $250,000 bail. US? Yeah. I'll get there. Stemming from November, an incident in November 11, Waterbury, Connecticut. Russell will return to the Waterbury Superior Court on November 27th. His wife, who requested anonymity because she fears her job may be jeopardized because of association with the incident, says it has been several months since entertainer has visited Bertie's West Indian, an American restaurant, where the scene had happened. So, you see one thing I don't run joke with?
Gone, not true. But here's the thing, we don't know exactly what happened, but his wife said that it was a prank.
What?
I don't know what kind of prank you can play
I don't know what kind of prank.
With a gun, and it's a real gun where the number tamper
illegal
with, right?
transfer of the pistol,
Me not sure how
altering
that
the
go.
serial number, first-degree reckless endangerment, first-degree robbery.
No, but something sound kind of fishy to me. It don't exactly sound like a prankish. But we'll see. All right, next up, social media sensation Ivany was shot 3 times. Did y'all know about that? You knew about that?
Who's Ivany?
Okay, apparently she does these account takeover things on IG. And
account takeover?
Yeah.
I thought you said hack.
No,
it sounded like hack.
Okay, so she was released from KPH after she was shot and injured on Waterloo Road on St. Andrew on Thursday night. Apparently, she's 21 years old. They were in a car. She was in a car with her friend, and some people just pulled down in another vehicle. Pop, 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 pop. Gunshots were fired towards her, and she was hit in the side and in the leg. And she said that in recent interview with the Star, she admitted that she is behind the takeover of some people's social media pages. She said she tried something one day, it worked, and she tried it again. Her favorite subject in school was IT, and so I guess she used it. She said it helped her well. And she also said she only fasts with people who fast with she.
What she take over? What
The people on page, like pretty much what I'm saying. I'm using the wordage that was given to me.
It is
She took over their pages and it caused problems. I don't know what kind of problems it caused, but it's some serious problem for somebody who want to kill her.
You know, the social media thing is a scary thing.
Oh, you mean, man?
You know, because if somebody want to cause her harm because she hacked them page, because you know you can make money from the social media pages, so you kind of mess with somebody's money, and you mess with somebody's money.
And not just money, you mess with their personal life. Suppose what she do and take it over is she kind of mess with them, like relationship or whatever. And
so you know me, so you know me worry about sometimes. Like if I have my phone and somebody hack it and post some pictures, like I don't, you know.
No, I mean, not my pictures, you know. Delete
no, I don't have those pictures, you know. I'm just saying, them come and then find pictures from other places.
I'm gonna see what kind of picture you have.
They
want me to watch it.
No, but it's a scary thing, man. But it's unfortunate though that they had to result in that.
Yeah, I know. But guess what? You know what that is? That is a lesson in keep yourself to yourself. Just behave yourself though. Don't do that.
You see these three stories?
Yeah.
You know what connects them all?
What?
Social media.
Don't it?
You know why? Pranks, forget likes on social media, Facebook.
Oh, I know this is not on the trending topics, but did you hear about Instagram removing the numbering?
Yeah, man. The vanity metric. Like metric.
That. They're taking it off from Instagram because they're saying it will allow it to be a space that you openly share without having this pressure of getting likes and blah, blah, blah.
It's hard to get likes.
Spice leak out on it the other day and said she want her likes show. It's hard to get likes, you know. Me and Sakina post the same thing, same picture. And Sakina get like 5,000 and me get like 510. That's just about following though. It's not about all right. Guess what? Oh, no, better start like on my friend page for the extent of time. But Instagram extends us that privilege. It's soon gone, and then it won't matter to anybody anymore. So let's get over it. Guys, let's not live a social media life. Please. Come on. Let's live outside of the social media box. Let's enjoy. Let's not do it for the likes. Let's do it for the love. All right? That's the end of Trending Topics. We're going to be right back.
You know, say it, man.
Yeah, but